Hey guys, this is Maria from TrueSocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use the Instagram story countdown sticker. If you're looking for ways how to announce about an upcoming sale, event or your birthday and consequently evoke the interest of your followers, then Instagram story countdown sticker is the best method to do that. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use it. Go to Instagram Home tab. Swipe right or click on the Your Story icon in the top left corner of your screen. Once the camera window opens, keep in mind that the first way how you can insert the countdown sticker into your story is through the Create mode. However, I will show you the second method how you can add this sticker. So take a photo or record a video, or you can hit the gallery icon in the bottom left corner and upload a visual from your camera roll. Now press on the sticker icon at the top. Select the countdown sticker. Write the name of your countdown. After that, set the end date and time. Keep in mind that you can choose either the all-day option, where your countdown leads up to a day and will stop at midnight on that day, or you can set the exact time of that day. Now tap the spectrum icon at the top and change your sticker's color. Once your sticker is ready, tap Done. Place your sticker wherever you want. Don't forget that you can draw or write something, insert emojis, GIFs if you want. When you're happy with your story post, click on the Send To button and share it on your story. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use the Instagram story countdown sticker. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TrueSocial.com.